The shape, size, and thickness of a product will determine how it needs to be set up to be dispensed reliably. Most beverages can be vended successfully when the spiral end is positioned at 12 to 3 o'clock, snack and food spirals at 7 o'clock, and dual spirals at 5 and 7 o'clock. You can also adjust the drop-off either by retiming the end of the spiral and/or installing a product pusher. Adjust spiral end position by pinching snap tabs of spiral coupling on back of motor. Pull out of motor, then snap back into desired position. Depending on the motor spiral type, the spiral can be rotated in 20-degree or 45-degree increments to find the best dispense position. The spiral can be removed from the gray spiral locator tab by twisting it out of the tab opening. It can be installed by securing it in the spiral locator tab shown here. Note there are two possible positions. The correct side is determined by the direction of the motor, and the spiral should be snapped on in the same direction as the motor drive. The motor can be clipped onto the tray and connected to the spiral locator tab in here.